Hi friends, hope that you are doing well and welcome back to the grammar lesson. I am Malinder. So today's lesson we are going to learn how to use adverb still, yet and already correctly in your English. Although they seems to be the same meaning, they have a significant difference. Okay, once I explain it, you will identify the difference between these words and you will get ability to use them correctly in your day-to-day conversations. Okay, everyone, let's get started. Let's talk first how to use adverb still. Still can be used to indicate unfinished action or situation that continues to the present time. It denotes action or situation hasn't completed yet. Sometimes this action or situation has continued longer than we expected. Simply say, still can refer to something that is ongoing. Remember, adverb still usually stand before verb to talk about ongoing action or situation, but sometimes it can be appear before adjective too. Okay everyone, let's go through some example to identify how to use adverb still. Okay, look at these examples. It is still raining, we can't work outside. Okay, here adverb still we used to indicate continuous situation or ongoing situation, raining. Here situation has continued longer than they expected because they need to engage with outside work, but they can't do that because it is still raining. Okay, remember, we can use adverb still to talk about situation or action which has continued longer than we expected. Okay, look at the next example. I got medicine, but I still have sick. Here also adverb still we use to talk about continuous situation. It also mentioned I didn't expect my illness now because I got medicine, but still I have sick. Okay, here also we use adverb still to indicate continuous situation that we didn't accept. Okay, look at the placement of adverb still. It usually stand before verb. Okay, look at the last example. Are you still waiting for him? Okay, here we use to ask question about continuous action. It also express action continue longer than we expected. So look at the placement of verb adverb still. It also stands before verb. Okay everyone, when we consider this whole example, it's clear we can use this adverb still to talk about continuous situation which we didn't accept. Okay everyone, now let's look at how to use adverb yet. Yet is often used with a negative statement when we want to emphasize that something hasn't happened up to a point in the present. And also we can use yet to ask questions, particularly we use yet to ask negative questions. Remember, yet can also be used as a conjunction to link two elements. Okay everyone, let's go through some example to identify how to use adverb yet. Look at this example. I haven't done my homework yet. Okay, remember, we usually use yet with negative present perfect continuous tense or ask questions. Usually it stands at the end of the sentence. Look at the example. I haven't done my homework yet. Okay, this is a present perfect continuous tense because action started in the past and it continues into the present, and also yet appear at the end of the sentence. In this example, yet indicate I expected to complete my homework by now, but I couldn't complete my homework. I am still doing my homework. It shows that something hasn't completed up to the point in the present. Okay, look at the next example. I am still studying at the university because I haven't graduated yet. Remember, we can also use this yet and still together to explain some situation where a certain action is continuing until now. Look at this example here first, but I am still studying at the university. It's still we used to talk about ongoing action or continuous situation. And also last part we used because I haven't graduated yet. It comes with present perfect continuous tense, it a negative form, and also we use yet at the end of the sentence to indicate that something hasn't completed now. Okay everyone, remember, when we consider these examples, it's clear we can use this yet to indicate that something hasn't happened up to a present moment. Okay everyone, now let's consider how to use adverb already. Adverb already we used to talk about an action that completed sooner than we expected. Remember, we use this adverb to indicate past or present positive statement. Okay, let's go through some example. Look at this example. They have already completed that project. Okay, here we use adverb already to show a project have been completed sooner than they expected. It means they didn't expect it complete by now, but they completed the project sooner than they expected. Remember, we use adverb already to talk about an action that happened sooner than we expected. Okay, look at the next example. He fixed it already. In this example also, we didn't expect it, but he fixed it sooner than we expected. So that is why we use word already. Okay everyone, in this lesson I mentioned about how to use adverb still, yet and already correctly in your day-to-day conversation. I hope that you learned something about how to use adverb yet, still and already correctly. Thank you for joining with us. See you soon with another grammar lesson. Bye bye.